What's the meaning of benchwarmer? Benchwarmer. Benchwarmer.
Benchwarmer. Benchwarmer. The term benchwarmer typically refers to a player on a sports team who spends most of their time on the bench, waiting for an opportunity to play. In other words, they serve as a backup player and rarely see action on the field or court. The term can also be used more broadly to describe someone who is not actively participating or contributing in a given situation. Being labeled as a benchwarmer can carry negative connotations, as it suggests a lack of skill or talent. However, it's important to recognize that every player has a role on the team, and being a supportive teammate is just as important as being a star player.